Hello, this short video is presented by the instructional designers from Flexible Learning's remote learning team. We're here to help you with pedagogical questions, especially about your courses or Zoom. Give us a shout and we'll do everything we can to help you succeed in your teaching. Today's video is about backward design in 3 steps, which, as the name implies, you begin with the end in mind and work towards the first things you end up doing. The first thing you have to do in the process is define your goals. Then you define your assessments, and only then do you start planning your teaching, your instruction. So let's start with goals. What do you really want to accomplish in your course? Curricular design tells us that course goals are the most important understandings, attitudes, and abilities to be developed in your course. They are the must-haves for your course, and they provide a framework for unit planning. Now, there are 3 kinds of goals. Conceptual goals, the big ideas and supporting facts in the subject area. Skills and habits, such as research, communication, thinking skills, established procedures, protocols, and routines. And then attitudes and values that we value in all academia. Curiosity, wonder, creativity, imagination, and so on. When you're defining your course goals, this is what kinds of things you need to be thinking about. Once you've defined your goals, move on to assessments. And remember, your assessments are designed to find out whether or not your students have achieved your major goals. So imagine this yellow field as the field of your goals for the course. And imagine the shapes as your assessments for the course. Notice 2 things. 1, all of the shapes, all of the assessments are contained within the field of the goals. None are outside it, none go beyond it. They're focused within the goals. 2, notice that they are all different shapes and sizes. Good assessment consists of all different shapes and sizes of assessments. Now moving on to instruction. We no longer just lecture while students take notes and study and then write a final exam. Instead, we have to think in terms of structuring lessons as opposed to lectures. And the way we structure lessons is with the input, process, output model. Remember always to teach to your goals, teach to your assessments. First, give them something to read, hear, or view. That's your content. Secondly, give them something to think about or talk about. That's the cognitive processes that you want them to apply to your content. Thirdly, give them something to do. That is something that will help you assess how well they have achieved your goals. So to wrap it up and review, start with your big goals, then design your assessments, then design your instruction. Here are some resources on assessment, especially that once you've considered and decided upon your goals, you can go here and start looking for assessment activities that will help you measure how well your goals have been achieved. Thanks very much.